Presentation. In this chapter, we are discussing about different number systems. Then, number systems are classified into two. That is, non-positional number system and positional number system. Non-positional number system, example is Roman number system. Roman number system. What are the Roman numbers? Suppose this is a Roman number. What it represents? This means V means 5. In non-positional number system, numbers are represented with some symbols. See this symbol means 5. This means 4. Okay. This is 9. X means 10. Like that. Each symbol is having some value. This is non-positional number system. Example for non-positional number system is Roman number system. Example, this one. All of you know this one. Then next is second one, positional number system. Different positional number systems are binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, different positional number systems are binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal number system. Before discussing this positional number system, we can discuss about the base radix. Base radix means the number of digits used in each number system. That is called base radix. Okay, how many number of digits are used in a number system? That is called base radix. Now, we can discuss one by one positional number system. Then, first one, decimal number system. First one, decimal number. Decimal number system. See, what are the digits used in a decimal number system? Deci means 10. Meaning of deci means 10. So, what are the digits used in a decimal number system? 0 to 9. The digits used in this number systems are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 9. Then, how many number of digits are used in this decimal number system? 0 to 9 means 10 numbers are using in this decimal number system. So, the base radix is 10. Base radix of decimal numbers system is 10. Base radix is 10. Okay. And each number we can represent using the positional values. For example, 54.76. When you are writing in this chapter, when you are writing a number, you have to write the base radix also. With that number, you need to write the base radix at the bottom right corner. Okay, here the base radix is 10 because in this decimal number system, we are using the numbers 0 to 9. That is total 10 numbers. So, then how to represent this in the positional values for each number. See here, this 4, the positional value is 10 to the power 0. Then this one 10 to the power, this one is 10 to the power 0, this is 10 to the power 1. Then positional value of after the point, the positional value is 10 to the power minus 1. Next value is 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. See, before the decimal point, it is 10 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then right side of the decimal point, it is 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2. Then what is the value of this 10 to the power 0? 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any value 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then what is the value of 10 to the power 1? 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. What is the value of 10 to the power minus 1? What is the meaning of 10 to the power minus 1? 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 10. Okay. 1 by 10. 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what is the value of 1 by 10? Yeah, 0.1. Then 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 10 square is equal to 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Okay. 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10. 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square. That is equal to 1 by 100. Then how can you represent this number? Say 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0 plus 7 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. Okay. Like that we can represent this number. See, when you are calculating, you will get the result 54. See, what's the value of 10 to the power 1? 10. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 50 plus, what is the value of 10 to the power 0? 1. That is 4 into 10 to the power 0 is equal to 4 into 1. That is equal to 4. Plus, what is the value of 7 by 10? 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7 plus, what is the value of 6 by 100 is equal to 0.06. Then we will get the value 54.76. Okay. We can represent a decimal number like this. That is, the positional values are represented as the power of 10. As the positional values are represented as power of 10. Before the decimal digits, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1 like that. After the decimal point, it is 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. Then, next number system is binary number system. What is binary number system? See, inside the computer we are using this binary number system. Bit means binary digit. Expansion of BIT. Bit means binary digit. Binary digit. Expansion of bit is binary digit. What are the binary digits? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. In binary number system, we are using only two numbers. In binary number system, what are the numbers we are using? 0 and 1. Then total how many numbers? 2. So the base radix of binary number system is 2. That is, we are using only two numbers. So the base radix of binary number system is 2. Okay. The positional values we can express in the power of 2. In decimal number system, base radix is 10. We can represent the positional values are power of 10. But in binary number system, numbers are zeros, digits are 0 and 1. That is total 2 numbers. So the base radix is 2. Positional values we can represent it as power of 2. See, one binary number we can represent, see, 101.01. Then what is the base radix? 2. You have to write this base radix at the top, bottom right corner. Okay, then positional values before the decimal point. What are the 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. Then right side it will be 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2. Then what is the value of 2 to the power 0? 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Then what is the value of 2 to the power minus 1? What is the meaning of 2 to the power minus 1? 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. That is 0.5. Okay. Then 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 square. What is the value of 1 divided by 2 square? 1 by 4. That is equal to 0.25. Okay, 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4. That is equal to 0.25. Then how can you represent this number? 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. See, 1 into 2 square plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. We can represent a binary number like this.